Hello, my marvelous middle schoolers. It's Mrs. Ellis with our first online art project. I'm kind of new at this, so I hope it comes out okay. But for this project, we're going to be learning about warm and cool colors and using them in our art. This may be a review for most of you, but I think it's good to go over it. Here's a color wheel, just like the one we have in our art room. And just like we've discussed before, the color wheel can be divided in half, with one side being the hot colors or warm colors, the reds, the oranges, and the yellows, which we think of for fire, for flames, for excitement. And on the other side, we have the cool colors, the blues, the greens, and the violets, which we think of for calm things like the ocean when it's calm, and the forest, and the breezes, and the icebergs, ice. So these are the cool colors, the greens, the blues, and the violets. And we're going to use this idea of warm versus cool in our art project. What you'll need is a plain piece of printer paper from your printer. You can hold it either this way or you can hold it this way. Just remember, please, write your name and grade on the back so when we go back to school I could see them. Then you need to go on a quest throughout your home. What's a quest? Well, it's a search for circles, all different sizes, from large to small. I emptied out my pantry. Anybody that was opening a jar, I grabbed the lid. I have all different kinds. In the end, you'll need 6 of them, but it's probably a good idea to get extras just in case you find ones you don't want to use in the size. You're going to need to have 6 circles that start with the largest going to the smallest. And your largest one, which for me was our plate, your largest one should be bigger than your paper. It should stick out. It doesn't have to stick out on all 4 sides, but it definitely should stick out on 2. So when you gather up all of your circles, boys and girls, then we'll come back for part 2 and we'll go over how to begin. See you next time for part 2.